Hello guys, welcome you once again in our channel. This is Amit from Tech Tutorial, and today I am gonna show you an amazing trick by which you can call anyone from your phone without showing your original number. And also this trick doesn't need a SIM card in your phone. So let's get started with our today's video. So guys, by this trick I am going to show you can call anyone without showing your number, because the number which will be shown in your receiver's phone, that will be a random number, random any USA number, or it can be any other country's number. And not only that, if you are connected to Wi-Fi, you doesn't need to have a SIM card in your phone. Also by using your internet you can do this call. So let me show you first how you can do this. And guys, another thing, the main highlight about this trick is, if you can say that we can also call from our WhatsApp or like Messenger with internet only, but at that case you need to expose either your account or your mobile number. But in this trick you don't need your own mobile number to show up, so you can call anyone. Let's say you want to prank with any of your friends, or you want to talk to anyone, but you don't want them to know your mobile number or your account. So in that case, staying anonymously and calling anyone, this trick is perfect for you. So let me show you how this trick works. So at first go to the Google Chrome, and in the Google Chrome just put your number. So here is my mobile number and I'm calling it from my phone. So here is my another phone, and let's wait for some time. Here is my mobile. So you can see ready and call in progress. So here you can see the mobile number. So guys, here you can see the mobile number. So guys, here you can see the mobile number by which this call is coming, +763. So your original mobile number keeps anonymous, because you don't even to register your mobile number in this website, because this is absolutely free. And so let's cut the call. So guys, that is how you can call anyone without showing your number, absolutely free. So let me show you how you can do this. Just go to your Google Chrome, and for this you don't need to install any kind of third-party application, and search here for Globe Phone. Okay, so globephone.com. You have to first come to this website and then go to your call section, and in the call section you can see free calling, free phone calling, make free calls to USA, India, UK and many other countries. So at first put your any name. Let's say I'm saying Take, okay, Take Tutorial, so I'm just putting Take. And then if you just go to the next option, and in the next, if you just scroll down a little bit, here you can see the select country. So now here you have to put your mobile number and then click on call. So it will just initialize the call, it will automatically connected. Okay, so for this globephone.com you will get a daily limit for 2 minutes, and I have already tried this thing. And if you just change your phone, or you just clear your cache, or let's say clear your data from Google Chrome, then again you can have a 2-minute of calling feature. So that was the trick I wanted to show you. Hope you have liked this trick. So if you like this trick guys, please like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in our next video. Till then, have a great day and thank you for watching.